ready to go for a bike ride. Hopefully the weather holds off. There's rain in the area and it's been raining all morning, but we have a break right now, so hopefully it holds off and I can get a little bit of a ride in. We'll see. It's really windy. That is slick. Very slick. I thought there was a trail right here. Doesn't look like a trail anywhere. Granny gear. Let's see where this goes. Looks slick. That's a punchy climb. Muddy. Oh yeah, that's slick. Oh, that must be the gravel road that goes up to the field. Doing some exploring now. Oh, there's thorns. Sheesh. Nice. Oh, there's a bridge up in there or something. Found another dead end. That's where the property ends. Got this cool lake. And there's that cliff I just came down. Pretty cool. Oh, I've even got it set up for rock climbing. I see some carabiners on the wall, or the rock. All right, we're about to go into the steep downhill and steep uphill section. My legs are getting tired. Here comes the steep downhill. The brakes are working good. And the granny climb. I'm getting sick of this climb now. Tell you that, it is punchy. Whew. Working. Oh, shite. This is probably like my 8th or 10th time up this. Oh, man. Whew. Another one bites the dust. Oh, gracious. I'm just doing a loop up here that's about, I don't know, about 2.5 miles. Over and over again. Got my tailwind. Let's do another loop. Oh, well, the sun finally decided to come out right when I'm about done. We're gonna try this one bridge I slipped on earlier. They got these metal like grate things on the side. I'm gonna try to stay on that. And I'm also gonna not brake because I braked on it last time and that's what caused me to slip. So let's line this up. There is metal for traction. Decide which side I want to go on. All right, let's do this. All right. Made that part. Okay. All about learning the equipment. I should have known better than pressure treated wood. I mean, even running pressure treated wood is very slick. Oh man, my legs are tired. Very tired. Heading back to the car now. All right, well, that was long, 2.5 hours, a little over 2.5 hours. You can take a look, it's on your screen, but 26.5 miles, almost 2,000 feet of elevation gain on a 2.5 mile loop that I did, with a couple other little places I went, you know, not on that loop, but most of that was on the loop. So when I went down on that bridge on the first loop, I didn't actually fall, but the bike slipped out and the bike hit my leg, and you can take a look. It nicked my leg decently, you know, not nothing terrible, so I'll wash it off and be all right. Ended up being a beautiful day right now. It's a little sunny, but I did get rained on quite a bit. I'm sure it was wet. Now it's nice and dry now. Covered in mud. The glasses are covered in mud, but these did really well. They kept mud out of my eyes, didn't have mud, sweat in my eyes at all. They fit well up under the helmet, so really digging these glasses so far. Yeah, so stay tuned for the full review on those. But thanks for checking this out. Hope you enjoyed seeing the Skydio footage, you know, the drone footage and everything. So hope you have a great day, a great Sunday, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.